Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, the place for smart tech reviews that help you buy better. Today, we're diving into the Spedal CL322 wireless CarPlay adapter, a compact little gadget that could totally upgrade your in-car experience. First, a quick heads up. The Spedal CL322 only works with vehicles from 2016 or newer that already have factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Make sure your car qualifies before you click buy. It's compatible with iPhone 6 and up, iOS 10 Plus, Android 11 Plus, and some Samsung or Google Pixel phones running Android 9 or 10. And don't forget to turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, keeping them free from other connections during use. Setup is super simple. No apps, no drivers, just plug it in, follow 3 quick steps, and you're good to go. What I love is the auto-reconnect feature. Once paired, it reconnects every time you start your car. You can even switch between 2 devices, whether it's 2 phones on the same platform or 1 iPhone and 1 Android. Just remember to clear previous device history to avoid pairing issues. The Spedal CL322 is built to impress. Ultra compact, with a premium metal and acrylic glass finish. It fits snugly, even in recessed USB ports like those in Mercedes-Benz models. No rattles or disconnections, even on bumpy rides. This little adapter works with over 600 car models, just not BMWs or Teslas. If your car has wired CarPlay or Android Auto, there's a good chance it'll work seamlessly. Need help? Their customer support is responsive and helpful, plus it comes with a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Only update the firmware if you're having compatibility issues. And remember, OTA updates must be done over the dongle's Wi-Fi, not your home network. The Spedal CL322 is a sleek, reliable way to go wireless, with easy setup, wide compatibility, and a design that just makes sense. Like, comment, and subscribe to Alltech for more smart tech reviews. See you in the next one.